Okay, we're here today with Bev, and Bev is about to start her treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Bev, you've got problems with both knees.
Yes.
And how long have you had that problem?
Several years. Recently, I'd say within the last 6 months or so, it has gotten progressively worse, especially on my left knee.
Your left knee is worse than the right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see any doctors for it?
Yes, I have seen an orthopedist.
Okay.
About 3-4 months ago, and he told me that I had bone on bone, I had arthritis, and therefore he gave me a shot of cortisone, which lasted about 2-3 months, but I could feel it progressively easing off, and the pain started to come back. And he said eventually I would need to get a knee replacement because of the bone on bone.
Okay. So your discomfort level today, we had filled out on our paperwork today. What was your discomfort level?
An 8.
An 8. And that's typically what it is? It runs?
Off and on, yes.
Yeah. So what is this holding you back from doing with this knee pain? What can't you do that you really enjoy doing?
I really can't do much in the way of exercising. I can't, like taking a walk is hurtful. I can walk for a small distance, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I get a lot of pain. Just gardening, even doing my grocery shopping or something like that. I do it, but I have a lot of pain when I'm finished.
And then you had pay the consequence after?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you stand up for me, Bev. Discomfort doing that?
A little bit in the back.
In the back of the knee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you could put your arms straight out in front of you, and I'm going to have you squat down. So go as low as you can. Yep, just like that.
That's about it.
Okay. And where are you feeling the discomfort there?
In the this part of my knee and over in here.
Okay, so on the outside parts of it towards
Yeah.
it? Okay. All right, Bev, I'm going to have you go up and down the stairs for me. All right. And we're going to go right on up there again. So, Bev, which was worse for you, going up the stairs or coming down?
Down hurt.
Down hurt?
Yeah.
And where was the hurting?
Again in here and down in here.
Okay. Out of all the exercises you just did, which one caused you the most pain?
The squatting.
The squatting? Okay. All right, perfect. We know where we're going to start at, so let's go see Dr. Davis.
Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. Deep breath and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down.
Okay, all right. Bev has finished her first treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Bev, can you stand up for me? How was that?
I don't think I have any pain.
That's
wonderful.
good.
It's
Arms
wonderful.
out in front. Let's squat. How low can you go? Wow, that's much better.
A little tightness there, but much
Wow,
better.
that's much better than before. All right, let's go up and down the stairs. Look at that. 1 foot per step. Now let's go up them. You were able to go up and down the stairs tandemly.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
what is your discomfort level now, Bev?
Probably close to a 0.
You started off with an 8 and you're down to
know.
a 0. Oh, I'm
I
so
know.
happy for you. What have you noticed?
My legs feel a lot different. They're not tight, and so far I don't feel any pain.
So you're more flexible, less
More
pain.
flexible, yes.
We haven't even done therapies yet.
Yeah.
That's
good.
just with Dr. Davis, so wait till we get done with therapies.
Okay.
Alrighty, let's